Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to be using my Inktense pencils from Derwent and drawing out a chocolate covered strawberry. I'm just using a regular graphite pencil to sketch in the strawberry and being sure to get all the little seeds and where I want the chocolate to be at and a little bit of leafy greens. And then I'm going to slowly build up colors with the Inktense pencils. A little goes a long way with this, and you can layer it many times as long as you don't squish down the paper to where it doesn't accept anymore. I haven't had that happen, but just slowly build up color. Use multiple different colors in each spot instead of just one flat color. It tends to help make things pop out of the page a little bit more, give it more dimension. And you end up activating these pencils with water. You don't need any chemicals or anything like that. Just some water and a paintbrush. When I started using water, I went over the yellow seeds before I started messing with the ink on the rest of the strawberry, at least on that beginning portion. I was testing out colors kind of to see if I had what I wanted. I tried to remember that the bottom of the fruit would be a little bit darker, being in the shade or not getting the light as much. Before the chocolate, I decided to try to go around the edges with a deepish brown. I ended up using several different shades of brown to try and achieve depth in the chocolate. Trying to be sure to leave some of the white of the paper showing too, for the reflection of the light hitting the chocolate. I end up adding multiple layers on the chocolate. Try to get that deepness or richness of chocolate. Adding in the greens for the stem of the strawberry. I just used multiple shades of green and layered them in different ways. Some with the dark green on the bottom, some with the light green on bottom. I was just trying to give it some variation and life to the greens. I do hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have a great day.